going? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday, and Sunday to me is all about sharpening the saw day. It's a beautiful day outside. Have a look. Alright. So I am about to go to a cafe nearby, and then I will do some personal development stuff. On the floor.
Doors closing.
Let's see what happens.
Ground
Let's see what
floor.
happens. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. And oh shit, look at this. I found $5. $5. Oh shit. Oh, shit. I found $5. Did you see that? So there you have it, folks. The first day of vlogging with this camera. You're gonna find money. Show me the money. That's the reason why I like sharpening the saw on Sundays, because I get to spend time alone and you attract goodness into your life. Okay. I'm walking to a nearby cafe, and what I tend to do is I tend to do a lot of reflection. I plan for next week, and I also write articles and post it onto my blog site. I also record stuff, so I record a video and also record some audio, and I post it onto my social media platforms. And it's really important to have some alone time. The reason is because you know, you dedicate a lot of time to other people, but then you need to have your own time to think and to plan and to strategize. So it's a bit of a walk. Check it out. Still going for a walk. Beautiful day today. So my agenda today is, last night I filmed this camera and did a review. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to write an article, and I will post it onto the Relentless website. Okay, so I'm at the cafe right now, and I'm just about to do some work. So I'm just unpacking my laptop, and then I'll get started. Boot it up. Do some work. What I tend to do is I set up with an article first, and then I just start writing. Just start writing what's on my mind, and I just bang out the article first. And then after that, I tweak it, I refine it, and then I push it onto Relentless, and then it gets seen by millions of people around the world. So I'll give you an example of what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's... So I'll start off. So as you can see, it's pretty easy writing an article. Well, for me anyway. But the trick is to really just be authentic, be real. Just put as much as you can into the article, and then you can tweak it. So yeah, I've been doing this for quite some time. I love my Sundays, so I tend to just write my articles. I do some reflection and also think about what I'm going to do next week. So I have a plan, and then I set my goals, and then I just execute. And then throughout the week, I just go to my article and I just read through I just go through my goals, and I just try and just update it, and I try and just take things off the list during the week. I tend to just think about just the top things I need to achieve, not all the bits and pieces, but just the top things, and that'll make it a really great week. And I always make sure that I have videos, audio, and also articles published on my website as well. Alrighty. Okay, so I just finished creating the article, so I'll show you what the article looks like. See, that's the article that I just wrote. It's about 800 words, 900 words, and you can see that. So it's just a basic skeleton. I've got my headline there. I've got the content underneath there, and then I've got all the information that I want. I've got everything that I need to say in the article. So, you know, I just write what's on my mind, what I think about it. I'm being honest, and yeah, it's just a really, you know, very simple way just to create content. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload this to the web. Okay, so I finished uploading it to the WordPress. So this is how I upload it, and then put in the video that I've already updated, chuck in the pictures, put in the article, and also the headline. So as you can see, it looks pretty awesome. I'll put in all the keywords. Yeah, let's go update. Let's update. Go, go, go. Saving. Alrighty, it's done. So let's have a look what it looks like. Post. Let's have a look. We are now online. So the ultimate vlogging camera PowerShot G7 Mark II review. So cool. It's got some of my other videos there, and see, there's the video there. You play. It's already hooked up to my YouTube. Beautiful. Turn down volume. Let's have a look. There you go. How cool is that? Alright, beautiful. And then that's my article there. Here's the pictures. I talk about features, film. It's very compact. How cool is that? And that's it. That's a typical process on how I upload an article onto my website all on a Sunday. So just out in the sun, having my cup of coffee, enjoying myself. It's pretty awesome. It's quite nice. Got the water. Just finished, woohoo! So there you have it. I uploaded an article, recorded a couple of videos, edited some videos, uploaded to my blog site, and published it on my social media account as well. So this guy, right, I interviewed the other day, and he published something on his social media profile, and yeah, it's really cool because you get to, once you interview a few people, they just publish it online, and then they tag you, and then you know, you get to see your work as well. So anyway, I'm really happy with today. I'm walking back home now, and what I tend to do on Sundays, well, it's 11 o'clock now, so what I do is I'm going to catch up with my girlfriend, and we are going to take the dogs out to Sydney Park, and then yeah, we're just going to have a relaxing afternoon. We tend to get our breakfast, and that's pretty much it really, so enjoy. I'm going to add some more vlog content, and then we'll just go from there.
Hello.
Getting ready?
Yes.
Where are we going?
We are going to the sand on the ground.
Nice. We'll take you up. How you doing, Simba? Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Got running out. Got my dogs at the back. Where's Coco? Hey Coco, how are you? How are you, girl? Hey Coco. Hello, how are you? Good girl. And Simba's at the back of there. Alright, just getting ready. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Where are we?
We are at the Sydney Park.
Sydney Park.
Sydney Park.
At some sort of water park.
Hello.
Where are you now?
Sydney Park.
Sydney Park? Is that your ball? Yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh, tiny fish.
Where's the fish?
Tiny fish.
Idiot dog. Fell in, fully fell in. Good job, good job. Come on. I got that on, I got that. Oh, beautiful. Good job, Simba. I got that on camera.
Oh my goodness.
That was good. Keep going. It's another one.
Come on. Wait. I think it's a circle. But is anywhere there?
This is a dead end. They look so happy. Is that another one?
Hello.
He jumped in the water.
Yeah. Oh, she's been in and dried off. Now
Oh,
we're
yeah?
going again. Oh yeah.
It's a good way to keep them cool.
Exactly. 'Cause especially the
Save
hot
water.
weather,
Yeah.
especially they got like cold that they can't
Yeah.
get rid of.
Her undercoat always stays dry though. It's amazing.
They just have one set of clothes for the rest of their life.
You wanna go again? Go again before
Come on.
you get dried off again.
Simba, come on.
So you go first.
Let's go to there's another one over here. Let's get that one. I got the whole thing on camera. Oh. Fully jumping in.
You go right.
Excited. You're getting really, really excited. Come on. Go. Slipping everywhere. Sydney Park.